While opening Paytm, are you seeing warning 61007 device integrity check failed, root access or system modification detected? Don't worry. In this video, I will show you how to fix this problem step by step. So let's get started. For example, if I open the Paytm app, you can see this warning message on the screen. To fix this problem, just follow these simple steps. Step 1. Long press on the Paytm app. Then tap on the info icon. Now go to storage and cache. Here tap on clear cache. Step 2. Now open settings. Scroll down and tap on system. Make sure the developer options is turned off. After that tap on system updates. And make sure your device is up to date. If not, update your device immediately. Step 3. Now open the Play Store. Search for Paytm and update the app if available. And that's it. Now if I open Paytm, you can see that the problem is fixed. Okay guys, if you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel.